Amanda with StraightSmile Solutions, and today we're going to start a new series, which is going to be all about 3D printing, and especially 3D printing in the dental market. So, specifically orthodontics. So let's talk a little bit, and I want to thank EnvisionTec for giving me a lot of content. They're okay with me talking about their printers. I'm definitely going to be moving on and talking about other printers as well. I'm going to be at Chicago Midwinter, Chicago Lab Day, so stay tuned. I'll definitely be doing some videos and some demonstrations. But real quick, let's just go ahead and start with EnvisionTec, and I'll just kind of take it back a step. I know a lot of people get super excited. I get a lot of phone calls like, hey, I'm ready to start 3D printing my own aligners. I'm ready to start doing 3D printing for my own indirect bonding and all kinds of other orthodontic appliances. Which one should I buy? And I'm like, whoa, pump the brakes. I know everybody wants to just jump in head first, but let's take one step at a time. Let's make sure you got your systems all up in place. Let's make sure you've got a decent, first step, right? Do you have patience? Like, what are you doing to get your patience? Don't go and buy a printer if you don't have the patience to support it yet. Let's start there. And then let's make sure you have a good intraoral scanner that works, that's open source. Then we can talk about your thermoforming machine, talk about what supplies and materials you want to use, talk about how you plan to trim it, what kind of volume do you want to do, how quickly do you want to be turning these cases around, do you want to try to do the quote aligners in a day? I think that's flipping amazing if you can have a patient come in, give them the first 4 aligners by lunchtime. What a marketing opportunity. Do you have the staff and the space to support this? And who's going to be doing it? So many things to think about. Feel free, if you want to talk this out, feel free to go to StraightSmileSolutions.com, schedule a free consultation in the top right corner. We can talk about it. But anyways, back to the EnvisionTec. This is the 3D printer that the EnvisionTec team generally recommends for this kind of thing. It's called the Envision One. I do not have a price point on this right now. That's really, they don't really publish it, but I can definitely connect you with your team if you're interested. If you go out and buy a cheapo printer, like your Formlabs, some of those ones that are $5,000, listen, the accuracy is not going to be there. It's not. There's going to be more inaccuracies, more as it goes down further down the aligners, things are just going to not track well. You have to have things accurate if you want to have a good outcome and not be doing a zillion revisions, refinements. So I usually recommend, instead of jumping in head first, I recommend figuring out who's going to be doing the designing, what software you're going to be using. Are you going to be sourcing out to one of the one of the dental or orthodontic design providers, or are you wanting to do it yourself? Who's going to be doing it? How are you training yourself up? And these are very time consuming. And from there, there's a lot of labs, that will do this for you. They will either produce all the models, which is the hardest part, and then send them to you, and you could do the thermoforming and trimming, or they will go ahead and produce the models, thermoform and trim, and white label them for you. Now, have you even talked? Another topic you need to bring up is the whole topic of the 510K patent. Do you need one to do this? Well, if you don't know if you need one, then you shouldn't be doing it. So feel free to buzz me, but hey, I'm not a lawyer. So, I can definitely connect you with some people in that market. But if you're not sure, please do not jump in head first. So anyways, this is the Envision One. I know Team EnvisionTec invites everyone to come to Chicago Lab Day to come take a look. I believe they'll be on that side. Come watch a demo, come see how it's done, come see how quickly you can do it. Any questions? If you want any introductions, introductions are always free. Just visit me at StraightSmileSolutions.com. Shoot a message, or send us an email at info@straightsmilesolutions.com. You can schedule a free consultation by clicking the top right corner of the homepage. And if you're looking to become a subscriber to get some support with any of this, we always welcome that as well. Thanks so much. Have a great day.